Go ahead and call our meeting to order at 12:04 p.m. And I'd like to recognize Councilor Kennedy for a prayer and for leading us in the Pledge of Allegiance.
I'd like us all to take a moment of silence for all the victims of war around the world with all the various wars going on in Africa, and the Mideast, and
Pledge allegiance.
to the flag of the United States of America, to the republic
Which stands
one nation, indivisible, with liberty and justice for all.
Everyone? I'd like to recognize Councilor Duff for a motion to record advice and consent for the financial warrant.
So move, Governor.
Seconded by Councilor DiPaolo. All those in favor?
Aye.
Those opposed? The ayes have it. I would like to recognize Councilor DiPaolo for a motion to record advice and consent for the pending list of notaries, public, and justices of the peace.
So moved.
Second. Is there a second? Seconded by Councilor Devaney. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? The ayes have it. I'd like to recognize Councilor Inell at this time for a motion to record consent for the appointment of Stephanie L. Everett as Suffolk Register of Probate and Family Court.
So moved. Second.
Seconded by Councilor DiPaolo. Any discussion on this? Councilor Devaney?
Stephanie Everett.
Correct.
I would like to be on record to say, I met with her and in 24 years, Lieutenant Governor, I have never seen anyone with personal life experience that she has. And that she has more life experience that exceeds the people that she will see. And we've got letters, I've got a lot of calls, and from the mayor of Boston also. So I'm very happy to second that and to be voting for her today. Great appointment.
Thank you, Councilor. Any other comments relative to this motion? Seeing none, I would ask for us to go ahead and call the roll.
Devaney.
All those in favor, if you could signify when your name is called?
Roll call.
It's roll call. Yeah. Yeah.
Devaney.
Like, yes. 2 yeses.
Dianella.
Yes.
Duff.
Yes.
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 Jacob.
Yes.
6 members voting, 6 in the affirmative. The matter carries.
Governor,
Lieutenant Governor.
Councilor, let me get Councilor Kennedy and then Councilor Devaney.
we have before us some new public administrators that the administration put up today. I'm going to ask if we can vote on them today. Some of these folks have waited a very long time, several months, and haven't been able to go into court or handle some matters. So I'm going to ask if we can leave the vote on these today.
Second that.
Motion's been made and seconded. All those in favor?
Aye.
All those opposed? The ayes have it. Councilor Devaney, did you have something you wanted to offer? I'm sorry.
They've been waiting a long time. Yes.
Great, perfect. Let me go ahead and move on the items that are on the agenda. I'd like to recognize Councilor Duff for a motion to record advice and consent for the reappointment of Roy Gelano Jr. to the position of Public Administrator for Essex County.
Pleasure.
Motion made by Councilor Duff, seconded by Councilor DiPaolo. All those in favor?
Aye.
All those opposed? The ayes have it. I'd like to recognize Councilor Iannella for a motion to record advice and consent for the reappointment of Ira Goldman to the position of Public Administrator for Suffolk County. Is there a second?
Second.
Seconded by Councilor Kennedy. All those in favor? All those opposed? The ayes have it. I'd like to recognize Councilor Kennedy for a motion to record advice and consent for the reappointment of David Lucas to the position of Public Administrator for Middlesex County.
So move, Governor.
Second.
Made, seconded by Councilor DiPaolo. All those in favor? Any opposed? The ayes have it. I'd like to recognize Councilor Kennedy again for a motion to record advice and consent for the reappointment of Patrick McAvoy to the position of Public Administrator for Middlesex County.
So move, Governor.
Second.
Motion made by Councilor Kennedy, seconded by Councilor DiPaolo. All those in favor?
Aye.
All those opposed? The ayes have it. I'd like to recognize Councilor DiPaolo for a motion to record advice and consent for the reappointment of Alexandria Isis Tara to the position of Public Administrator for Plymouth County.
So moved.
Second.
Motion made by Councilor DiPaolo, seconded by Councilor Devaney. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? The ayes have it. And I'd like to recognize Councilor Jacobs for a motion to record advice and consent for the reappointment of Kathleen Whalen Gianandrea to the position of Public Administrator for Norfolk County.
So moved.
Is there a second? Seconded by Councilor DiPaolo. All those in favor?
Aye.
Opposed? The ayes have it. I believe that concludes our business. And I would entertain a motion to, Counselor Devaney.
Lieutenant Governor, as personal privilege, I would like to ask if we could have a moment of silence. I just came back from a funeral from a friend and a member of the American Legion, and she was an advocate, Terry McAdam. She was an advocate for veterans, and we will surely miss her. So, and also, I got word 2 hours ago, my niece Barbara in Florida has died. So if we can adjourn with the memory of these two special people, I'd appreciate it. Thank you.
Just a brief moment of silence. I think that we're all sorry for your loss, Counselor. And we stand adjourned. Thank you, everyone.
Thank you.